I'm ready na to start my day. Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog again guys. So, katatapos ko lang mag-breakfast. And then, after, right now, ready na nga ako to start my day. I'm going to the bank. And also after that, I have cleaning. I have 2 houses to be cleaned. I have 1 church and also I have also 1 store. So for now guys, first what I'm gonna do is I'm going to the bank first. Gonna check something or yung sahod ko sa ano. Tingnan ko muna kung nandyan na. Kasi syempre excited ako sa sahod eh. So we're going. I just start my truck. All my cleaning stuff is ready. So we're going now. What else should I do? I'm not sure yet. If maalala ko pa yung ano. Yung ano. If maalala ko pa yung address ng nilinisan ko. Ewan ko lang or nandito ba yun sa sa message niya. Si Papa ay tulog pa. Pa, dito ka lang muna pa ha. Nakamute talaga siya. Hindi niya talaga yan marinig. Nakamute ka lang talaga pa. Hindi mo talaga yan marinig. Kaya, pero alam mo na yung ginagawa ko. Video lang pa ha. Tulog ka lang muna. Ano ngayong oras? 9:21. So, it's 10, 11, 12, 21 in Philippines. So, iwan lang kita dito pa. Wala ka, malaman mo kung ano yung ginawa ko pag napanood mo itong video na to. Pero pag hindi mo pinanood, hindi mo malalaman na ginagana. Na busy. Busy na pala ako. Diyan ka lang muna pa sa higaan. Tulog ka lang dyan. Hindi niya na ako naririnig sa sinasabi ko kasi nakamute siya. Pero galaw siya ngayon. Galaw ngayon. Hindi niya alam. So, alis na tayo guys. Wala nga ako saksi. It's ano naman summer. So, I really don't need socks kasi mainit pag nagsasocks. So, what should I do now? Wait. What today? Saturday. So, I don't need that money, but I need my IDs. I need to bring my IDs with me. Of course, the driver license. I thought I'm ready, but I'm not yet ready. Kasi umalis ako kahapon ng Prince George. So, yung ID ko nasa purse, sa ano ko, shoulder bag ko. Not on my little, dito ko yan nilalagay pag dito lang ako. Pag umalis ako, syempre ganitong gawin ko. Kaya nililipat ko dito. Ayoko naman magdala na ng maliit. May nakasabit na maliit, may nakasabit pa na malaki. So, dito lang ako. Dinadala ko. Ano lang. Okay, kay dami mga coins ba? Okay. Let's go to Rumble number 1. Rambola. Let's go to Karambola. So, yes guys. Let's go. Wala ako socks. That's not fun. It's not fun at all. I need socks. Mainit kasi pag nasocks. Pero pag wala akong socks, parang maano sa paa. So, let's go. I'm gonna get the socks. Don't worry. I'm going to put my socks and then I just gonna use a slapper because it's really warm outside. I don't really shoes. Oh, come on. Guys, okay. Let's go. I want area where I can put the phone so I can still record a video while doing something. I don't know if it stays in my truck. I don't know. I really don't know. Okay. Let's go! Kawawa. Sige po, iniwan ko lang siya dun. It's okay. I understand what I'm doing. Aircon because it's really cold. Really cold. What? It's cold right now because it just started. Come on. I don't need my jacket right now. Cold yet. Siyempre may lotion tayong dala-dala kasi para pag nag-dry ang kamay, may magagamit. Oh, it smells good. Oh, yeah, it's here. So I really have to put this in here. My old IDs. Let's go. Let's go to 1, 2. It's beautiful outside right now. Okay, none. Let's go to wherever you want to go. Bukas busy din ako guys, so maybe I'm going to start to take a video again and upload it to my YouTube. So, watch my videos guys. You know, ang tagal kong hindi nakabalik na. Ang tagal kong hindi nakagawa ng content. Slow naman ang sinundan ko. Ang bango ng lotion. So, andito na nga ako guys. Pupunta na ako sa bank. I'm not allowed to record a video going to the bank. So, babalik na lang ako. Ha? I'll be right back. So, andito na nga ako guys. Bumalik na ako from the bank. Now, I'm going to my first house cleaning. Yeah. I wonder kung nandito pa yung address niya. Pangatlong bisis ko na to pero dami kasi bahay dito, dami kasi street. Kaya i-google ko na lang. So, come on, let's go. Let's go. Busy today. Maghapon ako ngayon, takbo ngayon. Today. Maghapon na takbuhan. Gas pa naman ako, no? natumba yung cellphone ko. Saan kaya ngayon? Pag di ka nakita, ako'y I'm going to look for the ano first, guys. Mulberry Crescent. Wonder where is that? So dito na nga ako, guys, at ang sunshine lang, guys, ha. Nandito na ako, guys. Hindi ko pwede dalhin yung ano ko, cellphone sa loob. So yun lang, guys. Bye for today's video. For this video, I'll be back again maybe tomorrow. Okay, so yun lang, guys. Bye bye. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe nyo ako, guys. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.